Do you find yourself constantly second-guessing your decisions or doubting your abilities, even when there's no reason to? Self-doubt is something we all face, but understanding why it happens can be the first step toward overcoming it. In today's video, we're talking about self-doubt, why it happens, and how we can stop letting it control our lives. Self-doubt can hold us back from reaching our potential, but by understanding its origins, we can start to dismantle it. Stick around as we analyze what fuels self-doubt and share actionable strategies to help you become more confident and assured in your decisions. Let's dive in. Understanding self-doubt, where it comes from. Self-doubt is more than just insecurity. It's a psychological barrier that can impact how we perceive ourselves and our abilities. Here's a look at some of the main factors that lead to self-doubt. Number 5, fear of failure. One of the biggest drivers of self-doubt is the fear of failing. When we worry about not succeeding, it becomes easy to second-guess our abilities and decisions. This fear can hold us back from taking action or even attempting new things. By recognizing this fear, you can start to view mistakes as learning experiences instead of reflections of your worth. Number 4, perfectionism. Perfectionism creates unrealistic standards, making it easy to feel like nothing is ever good enough. This mindset leads us to question every move and decision, fostering constant self-doubt. When we chase perfection, we lose sight of the progress we're making. Embracing a good enough mindset can reduce self-doubt, allowing you to celebrate achievements rather than fixate on flaws. Number 3, comparison to others. Comparing yourself to others can fuel self-doubt, as it often makes you feel inadequate or less successful. Social media and competitive environments amplify this effect, making others' accomplishments seem more impressive than your own. Focusing on your personal growth and unique strengths can help break this cycle. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and comparison only distracts you from your progress. Number 2, past experiences and criticism. Negative experiences or criticism from the past can shape how you view yourself today. If you've been criticized or made to feel not enough, it's easy to carry that forward. This baggage can make you doubt your abilities, even when you're more than capable. Recognize that past criticism doesn't define you. You have the power to create a new self-image. Number 1, lack of self-validation. When we rely solely on external validation, self-doubt can take over, as we're constantly seeking approval. This dependence on others' opinions can make us lose touch with our own instincts and judgment. Learning to validate yourself is key to building lasting confidence. By practicing self-acceptance, you can start to trust yourself without needing others' approval. Now that we understand the roots of self-doubt, let's explore ways to overcome it and start trusting ourselves. Number 3, challenge negative thoughts. When self-doubt arises, challenge it by questioning the evidence behind your negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this true? Or what proof do I have for this doubt? Confronting these thoughts helps you see that many doubts are based on irrational fears, not facts. This habit of questioning your thoughts can gradually shift your perspective toward a more confident mindset. Number 2, focus on small wins. Celebrate small successes to build momentum and confidence. Each achievement, no matter how small, is a reminder of your capabilities. Tracking your wins helps reinforce positive beliefs about yourself, providing real evidence that counters self-doubt. Over time, these small victories accumulate, helping you trust in your abilities and reducing the impulse to second-guess. Number 1, practice self-compassion. Being kind to yourself is essential for overcoming self-doubt. When you make mistakes, treat yourself with understanding rather than harsh criticism. Self-compassion allows you to accept that you're human and learning, rather than expecting perfection. This practice builds resilience, making it easier to handle setbacks and approach challenges with a confident mindset. Thank you for watching today's video on self-doubt. Remember, self-doubt doesn't have to hold you back. With each step, you can learn to trust yourself more and overcome the urge to second-guess. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights on personal growth. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about believing in your journey. See you in the next video.